Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by fixing the hardware and baseline controls. First, update your DualSense and Ps5 system. Outdated firmware causes input lag. Next, open Fortnite settings and set look sensitivity to around 40 horizontal and 35 vertical so you have stable aim to tune from. You enable aim assist and test vibration briefly. It gives tactile feedback but can distract, so toggle it while you practice. Once done, plug in a wired connection to rule out wireless latency and move to in-game motion refinement. Now you refine movement with precise settings and focused drills. Reduce stick dead zone to between 0, 0.5 and 0, 12 so your inputs register faster. Make sure smoothness is minimal so your aiming feels immediate. Raise build and edit multipliers to around 1, 6, 2, 0x to make fast builds consistent. Then dedicate 15 to 30 minutes in creative, run edit courses, practice box fights, and do flick and tracking drills. As you practice, slightly tweak sensitivity up or down and retest until movements feel natural and reliable. You finish by locking in consistency and preparing for problems. Build a warm-up routine of 10 minutes aim training and 10 minutes of building every session so your muscle memory stabilizes. Record short gameplay clips and review them to spot small overcorrections or timing errors. Then make tiny sensitivity tweaks based on what you see. If issues like stuttering or dead zones remain, test a second controller, swap the USB cable to a known good one, and consider reinstalling controller drivers or rebuilding console cache to eliminate software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.